Example 3, budgeting and household. Okay, so we're still looking at cars at the moment, but now we're looking at buying on finance. All right, so we've got a few things up there that are going to help us out. They tell us how to do these things. We're going to look for part A. We're going to look at what are the total repayments. So what have we got here? We're paying, our repayments are $1,470 per month, and we're doing that for 5 years. Now, we want to work out the total, so that's going to be this one here, the total repayments, as the repayment times the number of repayments. Unfortunately, we've got $1,470 a month, and we've got 5 years. So the first thing we've got to do is convert that to months. So it's 12 months in a year, so times that by 5 gives you 60. And we're doing $1,470 per month times the 60 months. So if we go 1,470 times 60 on our calculator, we're going to get $88,200. So that is our total repayments. We're paying back $88,200. So quite a lot. You can see how with finance you are paying more because of the interest. So that was that part. So the next one is, what is the total cost of the finance? Now, our total cost is the deposit as well. So our total repayments is $88,200, but we've got to include the deposit, which is just here. So we've got $5,000 that we pay initially, and then we've got the $88,000 that we pay in the repayments, which gives us a grand total of $93,200. And about now you're realizing that you've paid more than double the price for that car because you got it on finance. You go, well, hang on, where did all that go when I've paid all that? Well, we need to find out what the interest paid is here. So the interest paid is our total cost minus the sale price. So we have just paid our total cost. We have just paid $93,200 for a car that we paid, or should have paid, could have paid $45,000 for. And just double checking my math. That means we have paid $48,200 in interest. So that's what it is. That's where they make their money. So if you'd had cash or money in your bank account, you could have walked in and given them $45,000 and walked away with the vehicle. But because you had to get it on finance, you've given them $5,000. Then you've paid $1,470 a month for the next 5 years, which gave you a grand total of $93,200, which means you could have bought me one of those cars as well. So what do we learn from this? Try not to get things on finance if you can avoid it. Unfortunately, in this day and age, it's a bit difficult. But you can see how much it costs you. So you've got to be very, very conscious of what you're doing. All good.